This course prep worksheet is also designed to be used one per course that you take, right, each semester. It starts out with a little checklist just to make sure that you have the resources and that you made sure that you're enrolled. Now that's kind of might be something that you take for granted, but it's always good to double check or to remind yourself that there's always some administrative stuff that needs to be done. Enrolling the course, for example, getting the book and stuff like that is part of that. Then the next few questions are just to get you thinking about it. Of course, you may not know these questions, like what do you expect the course to be like? So these things are your impressions. They may be right, they may not be. But even if they're not right, getting your initial impressions down of the course is useful because you're starting to what they call actively engage in the course, starting to really think about how things are going to be done. So the next question is similar. How will the course be delivered, the information be delivered? Lecture, online, a mix of the two. Again, some of this stuff you may know, some you may not. It's just basically getting your initial perceptions of the course put down and asking you these questions so you think about them. The third question is describe what kind of homework do you expect. Again, these are expectations. If you're right or wrong, it's okay. That's not really the objective, is to get this right. It's more for you to start thinking about it, as I said, as part of what they call active engagement in the course. Same thing with what kind of instructor do you think you will have, basically, based on your initial impression. Your initial impression may only come from reading the syllabus. It may come from meeting the instructor if you've had the opportunity to meet the instructor. It may come from rate my teacher, website, or rate my instructor type website. So those are the things that you just want to basically start thinking about, so that when you go into the class, you are starting to kind of think to yourself how you're going to be approaching the material that's associated with this course, and how you're going to be approaching learning the information. We'll start out with this page showing your initial perception, your initial impression of the course, and then as you actually get into the course, you can adjust this as you learn more.